This high-rise marvel, Safa Burj Mall, located in B17 Islamabad, is a testament to progress and innovation. Let's take a closer look at the progress being made on site. Excavation work is complete, and construction facilities have been installed to support the ongoing work efficiently. Currently, we're in the phase where the foundation is being prepared to ensure stability and durability. This critical step lays the groundwork for the rest of the construction process. Steel installation is underway. This stage marks a significant milestone as the structure begins to take shape. Simultaneously, concrete is being poured and floors are being constructed, moving us closer to the realization of Safa Burj Mall. Our team is working diligently to ensure progress is made efficiently and safely. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to move swiftly towards the completion of Safa Burj Mall, a world of luxury and elegance.